replacement, Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the bastard brute.
Brilliant start. Fire from the
Down he went, what the fraction of Cathy, clattered into leave it. They're trying to get that bike out, they're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run up quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins, with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Yamaha Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now hit around. Quartararo into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac. Give it Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins, with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha, he's on the stretcher. Well, a Honda Yamaha Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now hit around. Yamaha Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now hit around. Maggots and Beckett's. The high five. Down he went. What the fraction of Cathy. Clattered into leave it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get into the air. He's rolled. Oh, it's Quartararo's down. Is that Davizioso as well? Oh, fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went. What the fraction of Cathy's. Clattered into leave it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Rins from Rossi and Rins, with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha, he's on the stretcher. Well, a Honda Yamaha Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now hit up. Marc Marquez and Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the battered brute. Brilliant start from Marquez from pole. Is that the Davizioso? Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went. What the fraction of Ducatis. Clattered in lead. Give a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now in the battered brute. Brilliant start from Marquez from pole. Is that the Davizioso? Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went. What the fraction of Cathy's. Clattered in leave it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get into the air. He's rolled through the. He's on the stretcher. Well, a Honda Yamaha Suzuki at the sharp end of this one.